business vision board workshop, people shared why they don't set goals. Now, some said, I think goals, but I don't follow through, or I set goals, but usually forget about them, or I don't set goals because I'm afraid I won't reach them, or I set goals and I never look at them again. That's why I believe a business vision board is an essential tool in today's world of running a successful business. I'm Gail Bates. I'm a goals strategist, and I help entrepreneurs feel confident in creating the right goals at the right time to help them grow their business. And I specialize in helping you increase your revenue, add new clients with lead generation systems, and just become more efficient and more with my productivity products. So if you have a minute, please hit that subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified when I upload more videos on how to achieve the right goals for you. So how does a vision board help you in your business? Well, when you create a vision board for your business, you are being intentional about building your business. You want your business to grow. You want your business to be successful. And most of all, you want your business to be profitable, right? Well, a business vision board can really help you create a path to achieving all the goals you want in your business without it being scary because you've laid out a plan, without forgetting about your goals because you have a beautiful visual to review every week and every month. So in my business vision board workshop, I also have a special component on helping you create an action plan. I'm going to show you a method of how to take your beautiful visual and create a clear, precise, step-by-step action plan to help you achieve your goals. Now, in my business vision board workshop, I'll also take you through a list of questions that get your mind thinking and deducting exactly what you need in your business. We'll discuss what skills you need to learn, how to apply your own strengths to your business, and most of all, how to dream and project what your business will look like in this year of 2023. It's really exciting to create a business vision board. Let me show you mine. This is one that I did in my last vision board workshop. And you can see, and I did this on Canva, and I made it into just an 8.5 by 11 page, and I put it in my planner where I review it every week. I talk about the growth goals. I talk about my systems and my productivity products. My word for the year is engage. And also I'm very big. I have a book club that I'm creating in my new accountability lab. So all the things that I want to happen in my business in 2023 are right here on my vision. So are you ready to create a vision for your business? My business vision board workshop starts on Monday. It's a 3-session workshop. In the first session, we focus on reflecting on the past year. Once you answer a few questions and get your mind looking back to what worked or what you might have done differently, it really sets you up with information that inspires you to just set some goals and timelines and work on those specific areas in your business to help it grow. In session 2, which is really the fun part, I'll show you how to find the visual pictures, the photos, the words, the phrases, the affirmations or quotes that's going to motivate you and energize you to set those goals and find the pictures, the graphics that you want for your vision board. I'll show you how to do a digital vision board on Canva or a simple cut and paste foam board on how to lay out your pictures. You will get to choose on which way will work best for you. Now, once you have a visual of what you want in your business for the year, what's next? Well, that comes in session 3, which is my favorite part, to show you how to take the visual representations on your board and turn them into an action plan that you take away and you're ready to hit the ground running with a game plan. Oh, and of course, you'll follow with a detailed workbook that comes with the workshop. So are you ready to map out a vision for your business? You'll also get a special bonus on my 3 top goal setting tools once you register. The link is below. Click it now, and I'll see you in the Business Vision Board workshop on Monday.